So one simple method, work done is force into displacement, that is F bar dot S bar. Second, if it is variable, then two method, either integration method or graph. So first example, force varies as this: 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by Newton. Displacement is 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Find what is work done. Is the force variable or constant?
वेरिएबल
वेरिएबल
कैसा समझा फोर्स वेरिएबल है?
इक्वेशन में x स्क्वायर और x दोनों है
नहीं दोन्ही नाही, फक्त x असेल तरी चालणार ना. In equation if variable is there, x is variable, so it is variable. If it is like 3 Newton, 4 Newton, 5 Newton, constant. So if there is some variable term present, then it is variable. So work done by variable force comma w is integration of f dx, because dx x is variable, so I wrote f dx from minimum x1 to maximum x2. This equals to integration of what is x1? 0.2 meter. 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter. Hello?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
And 40 centimeter is 0.4 meter.
यस सर
And f is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 dx. Now it is maths. 3x square ka integration is 3 x raised to 3 upon 3. So increase the power by 1, divide by same power. 2. What is x ka power here? 1. Increase by 1, it will become 2 upon 2. 1 is without any x. So I can think as x raised to 0. 1 I can think as x raised to 0. So 0 ka power increase by 1. It will be just x from 0.2 to 0.4. हाँ देखो वापस एक बार फॉर्मूला बता दो. What is x raised to n dx का इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला? x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay? हेलो?
यस सर
ये आ गया क्या? कुछ वापस डाउट है किधर?
नहीं सर नहीं
3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel. After this, wherever you see variable, first put upper wala value, complete full, then minus sign lower wala value, like this: 0.4 raised to 3 minus 0.4 raised to 2 plus 0.4. So what I did, all upper value I substituted in place of x, which is 0.4. Now I will put lower value. Now we'll put lower value and then simplify. So थोड़ा mathematical background वाला, इसलिए you may feel difficult, but it is not difficult. Minus lower value. There is no space. Minus of, this is continued, minus of further 0.2 का cube minus 0.2 ka square plus 0.2. Please write this till this, then I'm solving after clearing the for space.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mohit, you are there now?
Yes, sir.
See, work done we can find by two methods. One is graph, other is integration. So in integration, we give small displacement, assuming that between that interval force is constant. So work becomes force into displacement in the direction of force F dx. Then integration from minimum displacement to maximum. So you are pushing it from 20 to 40. That is called limit of integration. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
दो line और, हाँ? 2 more lines, then we'll come to end of this numerical and new. This equals to 0.4 cube. What is 4 cube?
64.
64.
64. And decimal after how many digit then?
1
Cube है ना 3 digit.
3 sorry.
So 1 2 3 बराबर. देख लो समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
पहले 4 cube 64, 3 decimal because cube. Minus. What is 0.4 square? 0.16. Okay?
Yes sir.
Plus 0.4. अभी ये minus वाला. Minus 0.2 cube is 8 after 3 digit. 1 2. Minus minus plus 0.04. Minus plus minus 0.2. This equals 2. All plus wala first I am adding, and then all minus wala, and then final.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, then that 0.064 will also be, after that also it will be plus, no?
Here it was
Means-
minus, no? Minus. So minus minus became plus. No? This is minus, see?
Yes.
Minus is not inside, minus is outside.
Yes.
If inside it will become plus. Huh?
Okay.
और second वाला bracket के इधर बाहर minus है ना, तो minus.
हाँ sir, हाँ समझा.
अभी देख लो, इसको ऐड करता हूँ मैं. 3 digit वाला है, नहीं जम रहा है तो प्लस, पहला प्लस वाले को एक साथ रखता हूँ. 0.4 plus 0.04, then minus of 0.16, 0.12 with 8, minus point, all are plus. Can you tell me addition of this? 0.064, 0.4, 0.004, 0.04. कितना है बोलो?
0.504.
नहीं, 3 डिजिट है ना, तो 4 6 4 10 कैरी 1, हाँ 0.504 करेक्ट, 0.504 minus the other one 0.16, 0.2, 0.008, so 8 6 3 0
0.36.
बराबर है ना मेरा भी, equals to 14 minus 8 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 0.136 joule, because work done SI unit is joule. Okay,
Yes sir.
solve.
Done sir.
Okay. And then write work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. What is energy defined as? Energy is defined as what?
The capacity to do work.
Correct. Capacity to do work is called energy. That means energy and work are interconnected. So, amount of work done against the force is nothing but measure of change in kinetic energy, or we can say decrease in kinetic energy. Got it?
Yes sir, got it.
The change in kinetic energy is work done. This is known as work energy theorem. Everybody has followed? Then we'll prove. Everybody is followed?
Yes, sir.
Right. The change in kinetic energy is work done. This is called as work energy theorem. This is called as work energy theorem. Now we'll prove.
So once again, you can explain this.
The change in kinetic energy is work done. This is called work energy theorem. Consider a body of mass m moving with initial velocity u. Let v be the final velocity in time t due to force F. Let A, S be the सरोज सरोज किधर हो आप लोग? Let A be the acceleration let A be the acceleration and S be the displacement. Is completed now?
Sir, just a second.
Yeah. Once you complete, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Since F equals to MA, therefore Fs equals to MAS, equation 1. Since B square equals to U square plus 2as, so B square minus U square equals to 2as, B square upon 2 minus U square upon 2 equals to AS. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we get Fs equals to M. As we got V square by 2 minus U square by 2. Therefore, work done, Fs means work done, comma W equals to half M V square minus half mu square. This is nothing but change in kinetic energy. So this proves work energy theorem. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Simple derivation, but in 11th exam they ask.
Done, sir.
So 1 minute.
Ah.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody is done. Can I remove? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note. In case all the kinetic energy is not converted into work. For example, if a body is dropped from height, then change in potential energy should be change in kinetic energy. That means if potential is decreasing, kinetic will increase. So we say the potential energy is total getting converted into kinetic energy. But if some energy is wasted to overcome air resistance, then change in potential energy. This triangle means change in potential energy will be change in kinetic energy plus work done against air resistance. So you have to remember carefully. If there is some opposition, then work done is not only change in kinetic, but total change in potential in this case is change in kinetic plus work done against resistance. See, such type of energy which is getting wasted. अभी एयर वाला तो वेस्ट हो जाएगा ना, उसको नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स बोलते हैं. मतलब जो एयर खींच रहा है ना उसको बॉडी को, तो वो तो लॉस हो गया, कुछ काम नहीं आया. दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. अगर मैंने फ्रिक्शन के अगेंस्ट कुछ वेस्ट हो गया तो आई कैन नॉट ब्रिंग इट बैक, चला गया. बट एक अगर स्प्रिंग को खींच लिया आगे फिर छोड़ दिया तो स्प्रिंग वापस अपने जगह पे आ जाता है, तो जो लॉस हो गया वो मिल जाता है. So anytime we get something back, that is called conservative. If we don't get back, then it is called non-conservative. Okay, meaning समझा conservative का फिर एक अलग लेक्चर में पूरा समझाने वाला हूँ. So anything which is wasted is called as what? Non-conservative. If we can get, then it is called as what?
Conservative.
Conservative.
तो खाली छोटा याद रखना है. Just write this note. कॉलेज का एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं आएगा, बट एंट्रेंस में दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टफ कैन बी इंक्लूडेड.
Done, sir.
Okay. With this theory of this chapter, almost we have completed, except now last part of theory will be what is turning effect of the force, which is called torque, center of mass, after this we complete this chapter. So actually it is combo of many things. First was Newton's first law, second law, third law, then collision, then it was work which we did just now, then last class we
Friction.
did friction, last part is left out, I said turning effect. So but before that I will complete every MCQ based on this concept. So today I am doing MCQs based on law of conservation of momentum because it is a bit easier. I'm sending PDF, from that I will search and will do that. Just give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Can you see the PDF?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, फोर्स वाला निकालो. Come to page number 1 minute, I'm just searching which sum we can do.
Sir, page number.
Page number 6 of 16, that is of force part, not force, MCQ part. That theory I sent, and this is MCQs. MCQ of work, energy, and power. Wait 1 second. 1 second. I'm just finding out that question which actually we want. Yes, open work power energy, page number 1, first sum. Did you get it? Work power energy?
Yes, sir.
First sum we are doing. See, a particle under force F equal to Cx is displaced from x equals to 0 to x equals to x1. Then work done is how much? Is the force variable or constant here?
Variable.
Variable. Then it will become F dx from 0 to x1. That means Cx dx from 0 to x1. C constant, x का integration x square by 2 equals to C, then x1 0 to x1, that means x1 square upon 2 minus 0 square upon 2. This will become C x1 square upon 2 minus 0. So half C x1 square, half C x1 square option is P. Any doubt in understanding? Hello? Hello, some followed?
Yes, sir, follow.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Next one. A particle moves along x-axis from x equal to 0 to x equals to 5 meter under the influence of force given by F equals to, under the influence of force given by F equal to 7 minus 2x plus 3x square. Work done is how much in this process? Again, I can see force is not constant. So work done is integration of force for small displacement dx 0 to 5. That is 7 minus 2x plus 3x square dx from 0 to 5. So this will become 7x minus 2, x ka power 1. So power will become 2, 3x raised to 3 upon 3 from 0 to 5. So 7 a 2 cancel हो गया, 3 cancel. 7 into 5 minus 5 square plus 5 cube first term minus of 7 into 0 minus 0 square plus 0 cube. So 7 into 5 35 minus 5 square 25. This is 5 ka power 3. So plus 125, and this term will become entire 0. Entire term becomes 0. So this is 10 plus 125, 135 joule. Check. We have this option, 135 joule.
Yes, sir.
That is the required answer. 135 joule.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third one, a body read carefully. There are louder. Third one, any of you?
A body constrained to move in the y direction
Meaning of
is
this? Meaning of this? A
it is
body
moving in y-axis,
No, what is meaning of this? Constrained to move in y.
concentrated,
No, no. Constrained means it is only allowed.
moving in one direction. Okay.
Is only allowed to move in y direction. Then
Yes. Is subjected to a force F is equal to minus 2 I cap plus 15 J cap plus 6 K cap Newton.
Hmm.
What is the work done by this force in moving the body through a distance of 10 meter along the y-axis?
that means even though force is in three direction, I, J, K, but body is allowed to move only in which direction?
Y direction.
So you consider only the force of y direction. What
Yes.
is force along y direction?
J cap.
15 J cap.
Correct. So work done will be what along y? 15 into displacement along y. That is 150.
Yes.
Right note.
750 joules.
Yeah, right. Since the body is allowed only to move along y, hence work done along y will only be due to force along y. Therefore, W equal to
Sir, it will be, will only be due to
force along y. Force along y. Therefore, F work done W equals to Fy into displacement along y. Fy is 15, displacement is 10, 150 joule. Fourth one, work done by force F bar equals to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap Newton. Acting on a particle, displacing it from point R1 bar equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap up to R2 bar equals to I cap minus J cap plus 2J cap is how much? Wait 1 minute. R1 bar, R2 bar. Karan Bora. Hello, Karan. Karan? Yes, Karan Vora. Hello? Anay? Anay?
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of this R1 bar, R2 bar from vector chapter, scalars vector? Any special name for this? No, Arya?
Position vector.
Correct, position vector. So R1 bar is position vector for one point and R2 bar is position vector for another point. Body is displaced from P to Q. So what is displacement? This, na? Radius
Yes, sir.
vector, yeah, R2 bar, radius vector का change ना?
Yes,
R2
sir.
minus R1.
तो इसको मैं ना dr bar बोल देता हूँ. So can I say dr bar मतलब वही displacement, हाँ? Will be R2 bar minus R1 bar or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you subtract. What is I R2? I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap minus of R1 is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So this equals to I minus I will become 0, minus j is minus 2j, plus 2 minus 1k is plus k. Anybody who has not followed till this? So now we are getting mixed concepts from all the chapters. Anybody who has not followed till this? Karan Goyal,
Followed.
Mohit,
Yes, sir.
you followed this displacement wala part?
Yes, sir.
So don't feel shy to ask if you have not understood. For everybody I'm telling. So what is work done formula now? F bar dot dr bar or not?
S bar.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये सब I कैप J कैप में है, तो F बार डॉट dr बार. अभी कोई बोलेगा सर आपको कैसा समझा, ये कांस्टेंट है, व्हाई नॉट इंटीग्रेशन? इसमें वेरिएबल थोड़ी है, तो I मतलब डायरेक्शन बताता है ना.
हाँ सर.
देखो इधर Ix नहीं है, खाली I का मतलब क्या? X डायरेक्शन पे Y डायरेक्शन ना.
Yes.
सो इसका मतलब ये वेरिएबल नहीं है, कांस्टेंट है, एक ही लाइन में नहीं है, प्लेन में है, स्पेस में है. ऐसा F bar is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot with minus 2j cap plus k cap. How to get dot product? Yes, Rajvardhan, how to get dot product? Not knowing, I will only say, any of you can say now.
Sir, AX, BX.
बराबर ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. मतलब I का कोएफिशिएंट्स दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई, इधर है 1, dr में नहीं है, मतलब 0. बराबर. देखो अभी थोड़ा चैप्टर डिफिकल्ट होगा, इससे नहीं समझा तो इससे पूछते जाना. यही चैप्टर, उसके बाद का सब इजी है. प्लस नेक्स्ट टर्म 2 into
-2.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वाला 3 into 1. तो ये हो गया -4 plus 3 minus 1 joule. Work done -1 joule. B option. Okay. Any doubt? Please ask. Everybody has followed? Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
See, now we are getting mix of first, second, third in mix होएगा अभी. तो ये अगर पार्ट परफेक्ट हो गया ना अपना लॉ ऑफ मोशन एंड वर्क पावर एनर्जी, इसके बाद सब इजी पाथ पे आ जाएंगे. कंप्लीट प्रॉपरली. डाउट प्लीज आस्क. हेलो. हाँ 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 मैडम बोलिए. नहीं आज तो 8:30 बजे उनका नहीं है ना. नहीं वो तो मैं नहीं वैसा नहीं है, ये तो मैं एक्स्ट्रा रखता हूँ, अगर वो फ्री है तो ना, जबरदस्ती नहीं है ना उसके लिए. हाँ 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 हाँ, वो एक्स्ट्रा है उनका। तो एक्चुअल लेक्चर है 4 बजे से 5 जो रहता है वो है। नहीं 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 नहीं, रोज का नहीं था, वो खाली एक्स्ट्रा रखा था क्योंकि एक चैप्टर ना क्लास आगे है, तो उसका थियरी मैं सोच रहा था उसमें कर लूं, और एमसीक्यू हमारे जो रेगुलर लेक्चर्स है उसमें करूं, इसके लिए था। हाँ, तो अभी वो 12:30 अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे, अटेंड कर सकते हैं अभी? 12:30 एक है एमसीक्यू लेक्चर्स वही चैप्टर का, तो कैन ही अटेंड टुडे 12:30? हाँ 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 हाँ, अगर वो फ्री है तो मैं लिंक भेज दूंगा ना, अगर नहीं फ्री है तो ही आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप करिए, नॉट फ्री, अदरवाइज मैं लिंक भेज दूंगा। ठीक, या वो मैं करा लूंगा, वो जो मिस हो गया मैं करा लूंगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो मैं करा लूंगा। अच्छा ठीक है, आज लेक्चर का मैं थोड़ा 10 मिनट बात करता हूँ उससे। ठीक। नहीं मैं नहीं नहीं मैं अभी क्या हम पर्सनली मिलते नहीं ना, जो बच्चा बोलता है हमको लगता है राइट है ना, मैं आज बात करता हूँ उससे फिर से। ठीक, यस यस श्योर, नहीं नहीं मैं बात करता हूँ, मैं बात करता हूँ, बात करता हूँ, बात। ठीक ठीक। हाँ ओके, यस 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 यस, ठीक है मैडम, ठीक है, मैं कर लेता हूँ, करता हूँ, करता हूँ। ओके, यस कंप्लीटेड।
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट वाला थोड़ा थियरी है। मास m is lowered with the help of string. What is meaning of lowered? This can I clear this part from the screen?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
What is meaning of word lowered? Lowered.
Sir, it means that something is taken down.
That means in the direction of gravity or opposite to gravity?
In the direction of gravity.
In the
Direction of gravity.
Direction.
Yeah. So when we say lowered, मतलब gravity का direction में, and pushed up means against the gravity. ठीक है? अभी read करता हूँ क्या बोला है वो लोग ने. A mass m is lowered with the help of string by distance x at constant acceleration g by 2. What is work done by the string? What is formula for work done? Force into displacement है ना?
Yes, sir.
So either it is moved by distance x under acceleration of g by 2. So force is m into g by 2 है ना? Force is mg by 2 हो गया ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Ah, sir.
And displacement x दिया है, and displacement is x. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so force is mg by 2 into x. That means it will be
Yes.
mg x by 2. Anywhere option is there, half mg x?
Sir,
C.
Yes.
sir, I cannot see whatever you have written.
You cannot see?
No.
Sir, I also.
That means I don't understand what you are saying. You cannot see means what?
The whiteboard is, I am able to
Blank,
see the
sir.
whiteboard, but
So
it is
when
blank.
nothing is written, how can you see what you are joking at?
Okay, no, I thought you are writing.
No, no, no. Don't joke, a serious joke. I cannot.
No, sir, I thought you were right.
Okay, okay, okay. हाँ गुड, ऐसा मजा आता है बीच में जो करना चाहिए फिर see again I'm repeating. What is the four? It is lower down with g by 2. तो अपना काम हो गया ना, हाफ एम जी एक्स। नहीं समझा लगता है, अभी देखता हूँ। देखो ये एक धागे को हम लोग ऐसा नीचे फेंक रहे हैं, विथ व्हाट एक्सेलरेशन? g by 2. तो वर्क डन इज एफ एस, एफ मीन्स m में, s is x, m hg/2 into x. अभी दिख रहा है क्या, बोलो?
हाँ सर, हाँ दिख रहा है।
ये आंसर है। Sixth one, last for today. Work done by pseudo force. Pseudo force मतलब a single force which arises when body is in accelerated frame. Like जैसा बस है, बस ने टर्न लिया तो अपना बॉडी बाहर थ्रो हो जाता है ना.
Yes.
That force which is acting is automatic we got due to body taking turn. उसको pseudo force बोलते हैं. तो बॉडी जब भी बस राइट में जाएगा तो मैं लेफ्ट में जाऊंगा, बस लेफ्ट में जाएगा तो मैं राइट में जाऊंगा, बस ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं नीचे जाऊंगा, बराबर ना?
हाँ सर।
मतलब पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, जीरो भी हो सकता है, क्या नहीं?
यस सर।
So all the three.
Once again, can you say what is pseudo force?
What dear? What?
Once again, pseudo force.
What? Avan say what?
Sir, pseudo force. Once again, can you say?
I can definitely say. Pseudo force means that force which acts on the body singly. Single तो अकेला, नहीं तो हमेशा फोर्स पेयर में रहता है. तो ये किधर से आएगा pseudo force? सपोज यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर, चेयर को मैं गोल गोल घुमा दूं तो आपको लगेगा ना आप गिर जाएंगे. मेरी गो राउंड, यू हैव सीन मेरी गो राउंड?
Yes, sir.
In that merry go round, if the person rotates faster, so we feel कि हम लोग बाहर फेंक रहे, कोई तो अपने को बाहर फेंक रहा है ना.
यस सर।
That invisible force, or whenever you are on the surface which itself is changing, उसको हम बोलते हैं pseudo force. तो बस में अगर मैं बैठूं, बस वाले ने टर्न लिया तो बॉडी इज थ्रोन आउटवर्ड ना, उसको नकली फोर्स बोलते हैं.
Yes, sir.
असली में कोई फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं किया, बॉडी टर्न लिया, ड्यू टू टर्निंग आई एम
Automatically.
उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग pseudo. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So आज के लिए इतनी. नेक्स्ट विल मीट ऑन वेडनेसडे. अरे आज ही वेडनेसडे है, फ्राइडे.
Friday.
हाँ, विथ मोर एमसीक्यूज. ओके. एंड योर टेस्ट यू आर नोइंग ना, अभी जो हम लोग वीकली कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर ही टेस्ट है आपको, मंडे संडे.
यस सर, यस सर।
हाँ.
सर वो आपने जो हम लोग को बोला था टेस्ट का,
वो डीसीटी का ना, एक्चुअली मैंने वो
हाँ।
पूरा मेरा टाइप नहीं हो पाया, इसलिए मैंने वेट किया. वो होएगा.
अच्छा।
एक दो दिन दे दो.
हाँ तो मतलब कल आप हम लोग को भेजोगे?
हाँ कल पे.
हाँ सर, चलेगा। ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
बाय. थैंक यू.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
होमवर्क नोबडी आस्क्ड. चलो आज जाओ, कल होमवर्क को बताता हूँ. ठीक है, बाय.